start doing a different type of video. I've been getting some requests on weapons disassembly and kind of like a tutorial on how to take guns down to field strip them for cleaning. So figured why not. Today we're going to start with the Glock 19 Gen 4. So this does have the Olight PL Mini 2 Valkyrie on it. So it's just going to be a real simple tutorial. Maybe you're a new firearm owner and you just want to know how to take the gun down and clean it. So we'll go ahead and do that. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do anytime you get ready to clean a gun or really mess with it in any way is just go ahead and make sure it's unloaded. So go ahead and drop your mag and then bring the slide to the rear, and you can see that it's clear. So we'll go ahead and take this light off too. Should have done that before we started, but there we go. So on a Glock, once you've verified that it is clear, you can go ahead, if it makes you feel better, put the ammo far away, whatever makes you feel comfortable. But so Glocks are really easy to take down. You're just going to drop the slide, you're going to pull the trigger. Now the easiest way I found to do this, you've got a takedown lever right here and on the other side, and you need to pinch that on both sides and pull down. But before you do that, the easiest way I found is just grab the gun, pull it back just a little bit, pinch those levers, pull down, and the slide will come right off the frame. So once you're there, you can go ahead and put your frame down, take your recoil spring assembly out, push up on the top of the barrel here, and just pull the barrel out. So then what you're left with is the slide, your barrel, your recoil spring assembly, and your frame. So for cleaning, just after going to the range or whatever, you're going to want to get any carbon off of this feed ramp right here, and then run a wire brush through the barrel, and then a cotton brush afterwards. So most of the time those brushes are going to be caliber specific, so this is a 9mm and it is dirty, so I'm not going to clean it tonight, but just wanted to do this disassembly video for you guys. Use your caliber specific wire brush and then your cotton swab or cotton brush. It's also never a bad idea to just kind of lightly wipe this down here. Make sure you don't have any gunk up in the rails of the slide, and also your right back here where your firing pin's protruding and your ejector. Make sure you don't have any gunk in there. You know, and then it's not a bad idea to just go ahead and wipe everything down and get the carbon out. But those are the key areas on your frame. Make sure you don't have anything gunking up these parts, moving parts that, or the trigger and everything else. You want that all clean. So there's varying degrees of dirt and grime and everything these guns will handle. So the best course of action is just to keep them pretty clean. You usually won't have to do too much with this, but I tend to wipe it down anyway with some CLP and a paper towel. Just keeps it lubricated, make sure nothing's going to rust, etc. So as far as gun lubricants and cleaners, there's a bunch of them out there. Rim oil, CLP. Stay away from things like WD-40. I know that a lot of the old timers use that stuff, but you can't really go wrong with CLP or Hops number 9. Alright, for reassembly, take your slide, take your barrel, put the barrel down and slide it back up until you hear it click. Take your recoil spring assembly, take that black tip and put it in that hole right above the barrel and push down. I'm trying to do this so you guys can see it, until it seats itself in the notch on your barrel there. Once you do that, you'll take the frame and line these rails up with the notches in the back of the slide. After that, you just pretty much slide the slide to the rear, bring it back, check your function, do that a few times, make sure everything feels normal. And then at this point, guys, it's reassembled. All you have to do is, you can go ahead and put your magazine back in it, chamber around, put it in your holster, whatever it is you're going to do. So this is a really, really easy gun to take down and to clean. Glocks are probably one of the most simple ones on the market. Just do verify that your chamber is clear before you dry fire it to take it down. So that's really it, guys. I hope this helps you out. Alrighty, take care.